So hi everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create two of the most popular charts, that is the bar charts and the pie chart. So without wasting time, let us get started. So once you have your data, you can go to your Excel, then you select the whole data that you have on your Excel sheet, then go to this Insert tab. Then from here, you can find this section that has recommended chart. Then there is this section that has you insert columns or bar charts. The pie charts are here. So let's start with this first one. You can click on this. Then you can see you have different types of charts here. You have 2D charts. You have 3D. You have 2D bars. So it depends on what you want to get. If you want to get more options, you can just go to more column charts. Then you click on it like that. Then from here now, you can either pick any of the charts that you want. From here, you have the columns. You can pick any of the charts that you want to pick for your data to represent your data. Then you can also go to the lines. If you want to draw the line graphs, you can also come here. There's the information there. But my aim is just to show you how to draw the bar chart. So for example, you have this one. We have selected the column charts, the clustered column. So if you let's say if you click on this, then you click OK, then you find that your charts will pop here. So from here you can edit your chart. You can put the header here. You can even insert the X and the Y axis. You can just use this function here to add the axis title. Then you can put your title here and here. And you can also let me show you how you can also draw the pie charts by doing this. Just click Control Z, then you go back, you highlight the same data like this, you go to Insert, go to the pie charts, they are here. Then you can pick the pie charts that you want, for example, this one. Then as well, you can edit your data in your charts to make sure that you have your desired charts the way you want them to look like. And that is how easy you can have a simple way to turn your numbers into visual insights using the bar charts and the pie charts in Excel. So if this video helped you, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment on what Excel tips you want me to create for you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.